Privacy coins are flying right now, guys. I'm gonna give you my take on why I think this is happening, what privacy coins actually are, and the ones that you should keep on your radar. Let's get into the video. So first, what is a privacy coin? Privacy coins are cryptocurrencies specifically designed to provide strong anonymity and untraceability for transactions on their blockchains. Now, why do I think people use privacy coins? They don't want people to track their transactions. They don't want people spying on their wallets. It's harder to steal. The downside of them, some exchanges ban them, and they are slightly slower and harder to use. All that being said, really just go over Zcash, XMR, and a coin that I've had on my radar that just dropped recently. Let's jump into the charts, guys. So the first coin that I'm gonna be going over today, guys, is gonna be Zcash. I think that it's important if you're playing any privacy coin in this sector or anyone that releases, you follow how Zcash is kind of doing. Now, from a weekly perspective, you could see the absolute beautiful flip that had occurred at around that 386 level, 390 level, let's call it, for a 93% gain. If you watched my support resistance video that I dropped a few days ago, you know what these wicks mean and how they matter, and candle closures as well. Now you can see right here at around this candle closure on the higher time frame from this weekly perspective, we had some nice flips within this range. You had two really good flips occur from that level. We had a significant rejection actually happen today. From the weekly perspective, we had some crazy flips back up, and we pushed all the way up to $740 before rejecting down, 35% rejection to the downside. Now we see a significant sweep before we pushed back up, got swept today, and pushed up to the daily open before rejecting again. Pretty wild price action if you are trading and scalping today. Fantastic opportunities. Now, is this the top of Zcash? I don't think so. I think the privacy narrative is well and hot. I think that some consolidation and some sort of wanky price action is due to get people long and shortings chopped up to bits. That being said, I am interested to see how price action progresses on it and what opportunities are presented thereafter. I think privacy in crypto is originally why people got on board, and now we're seeing a lot of these government entities getting in the atmosphere and it becoming less private. I do think this is why we are seeing a significant uptick in the privacy sector. Zcash is going to be the major that we're going to always refer to when it comes to this sector. All right, guys, the next coin I'm going to be talking about today is going to be XMR, Monero. The second major, I would say, when it comes to privacy cryptocurrencies in the space. Been around for quite some time, just like Zcash. On the monthly, I'm going to draw my resistance line around this candle closure. And on the weekly, you could see that it's looking to really flip this level with 1 day and 5 hours left to go. If it wants to flip this high pretty quickly, I can see it looking pretty good. That being said, I think that opportunity lies pretty low for this coin. I would say at around that 308 level. Given the recent push that Zcash had and the potential that Monero has, I do think that it could catch a good portion of the privacy hype as well. You could see that 418 level is the next real harsh level to reach before it can continue to go higher. I do think that Zcash and XMR overall are the two coins to keep your eyes on when you are playing the sector. So make sure that you're seeing how these coins are performing before placing your bets on them. And you have two really good levels to reach here if you are playing somewhat in the middle. I think that 308 level is a good level if you're looking leverage, maybe even slightly lower depending on how the market wants to react and how Zcash acts. We haven't seen a monthly closure above this level for quite some time, guys. It being a very long time, guys, since June of 2021. It's been about 53 months to put it into perspective. This being its first time, it's actually looking to push up and close above. Reactions are happening now. Whether it closes above this level or lower than this level within the month is yet to be seen, yet to be told. So that is XMR. Moving on to Fog. I do think that there is market share ready to flow into other privacy coins given the narrative, Fog Swap being one of them. We are seeing some chatter about this on CT at a 7 million market cap. Picture how high it could go given some cash flow from these other privacy coins, or people just see the narrative and want to invest in something more of a lower cap for more of an opportunity. They'll come to move to these type of coins. So it's sitting at a 7 million market cap right now. I do think that if it was a different atmosphere of the market, this coin would already be at a 30 million, 50 million. We are at a very choppy area of the market. We're at a place where a lot of people don't have confidence in it, where liquidity is pretty thin and pretty light. That being said, if you're investing in good coins like this, given their narrative and the narrative sticks, I do think that there's a lot of upside potential. Now let me explain some things, what it actually is, what they're aiming to do. Fog Swap is evolving far beyond a simple decentralized swap. It's building the foundational privacy and liquidity infrastructure of Web3 finance. The platform introduces an innovative buyback and earn model that channels a share of all platform revenue back to token holders. And by 2026, Fog Swap will expand into a full privacy ecosystem. I like to see a team that has a vision for the future, and this is why I wanted to include including today's video. Appreciate you guys coming to the channel. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below. Let me know what type of coin or sector you want me to talk about next. Turn on post notifications, and I'm gonna leave all my links down in the description below. See you in the next.